Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your drones are not the bottleneck. The bottleneck is what happens after the flight, when terabytes of images, thermal scans, and inspection logs land on overloaded engineers' desks. Most solar operators have solved the data collection problem. Drones fly faster than ever. Thermal cameras capture thousands of images in a single mission. Inspection coverage has improved dramatically, yet many organizations still struggle to turn those flights into actionable intelligence. The result is a growing backlog of inspection data waiting to be reviewed, classified, documented, and converted. Flying the drone is often the easiest part of the process. The real work begins once the aircraft lands. Someone has to review images, someone has to identify anomalies, someone has to determine whether a hotspot matters or indicates degradation. Someone has to decide if a defect is isolated or widespread. Someone has to determine whether it represents warranty, safety, or revenue risk. Then the findings need to be linked to the correct string, inverter, block, or asset. Financial impact must be estimated. Recommendations need to be written. Screenshots have to be captured, and charts need to be generated. Finally, everything gets packaged into a report stakeholders can understand and act upon. This is where inspection programs typically hit a wall, not in the air, in front of a screen. Many teams can collect more inspection data than they can realistically process. Flights that take a few hours often create days of analysis work. Reports get delayed and findings sit in folders. Defects remain unresolved, and inspection programs become hard to scale. This is exactly the problem ClearSpot's AI agents are designed to solve. Instead of treating drone inspections as a collection of images, the agents treat them as operational intelligence. Flight data is automatically ingested and analyzed. Thermal anomalies are classified, and potential defects are categorized. Site context is added automatically, so the system knows where the issue occurred and which assets are affected. But classification is only the beginning. The agents calculate the loss story behind each finding and estimate operational impact. They connect defects to production losses and identify priority issues. They determine which findings require immediate action and which can be monitored over time. Rather than presenting thousands of images, they present ranked operational decisions. Then comes the step that traditionally consumes the most time: reporting. ClearSpot agents automatically build client-ready and internal-ready reports, combining imagery, context, and recommendations. The entire workflow from flight to analysis to final PDF is compressed from days into minutes. That changes the economics of drone inspections entirely. When processing becomes automated, inspection frequency is no longer constrained by analyst capacity. Teams can fly more often without creating reporting bottlenecks. Emerging faults are detected earlier and corrective actions happen faster. Historical records become easier to maintain, and every inspection creates a documented audit trail. For large portfolios, the impact compounds quickly. Imagine recovering 40 or more hours every week previously spent manually labeling images and formatting reports. Engineers can focus on solving problems instead of building reports. The same inspection team can support more assets and deliver more value without increasing headcount. And your drones finally become what they were meant to be: inspection machines, not content cameras. If your organization is sitting on a growing pile of flight data that never receives the analysis it deserves, part of your drone investment is being wasted. Valuable defects remain in the field, and revenue losses continue unnoticed. Opportunities for warranty recovery are missed, while the data sits unprocessed. That is why we created the Drone Processing Automation Pack. It includes the workflows, AI agents, and reporting logic that power a complete flight to PDF pipeline. If you want to see how automated drone processing would work on your next inspection, visit the ClearSpot demo page and request the drone process. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.